In this video, I am going to share some useful YouTube video shortcuts that you can use while watching a YouTube video. If you are new to our channel, we make regular software related and apps related videos. If you like our videos, please hit the like button and the subscribe button. Now, starting with our first shortcut, use the full stop button to skip to the next frame while the video is paused. Similarly, use the comma button to go back to the previous frame while the video is paused. Use the greater than sign to speed up the video. Similarly, use the less than sign to decrease the speed of the video. Use the slash button to reach the search bar, and the cursor automatically has reached there. Use the alphabet K to pause or unpause a video. Similarly, use spacebar to pause or unpause a video. Use alphabet M to mute or unmute a video. Use alphabet J to see backwards 10 seconds. Similarly, use alphabet L to seek forward 10 seconds. Use alphabet F to go full screen. Use alphabet C to turn on the subtitles. Use alphabet I to turn on the mini player. Use number 1 to reach the 10% of the video. Use number 9 to reach the 90% of the video. Press number 0 to reach the start of the video. Use the up arrow key to increase the volume of the video. Use the down arrow key to decrease the volume of the video. Use right arrow key to forward the video by 5 seconds. Use the left arrow key to back the video by 5 seconds. Use Shift plus N key to move to the next video in the playlist. Similarly, use Shift plus P key to go to the previous video in the playlist. The Home key on the keyboard to reach the start of the video. Use the End key on the keyboard to reach the end of the video. And that's it. Thank you for